Just going to be doing a little touch-up work on this Ducati 916. There's nothing majorly wrong with it. It just has some scuffs here and there. Starting on the Ducati 916. This is actually probably the worst of it right here. All of it is just like little scuffs, if you see them. This piece is broken there, so I gotta fix that. But this is definitely the worst piece. Just more minor stuff. I don't know if that's coming through. Yeah, you can see it right there. You got the decal on this one. We actually have a factory decal for it though. This piece has just a little bit of scuffage, nothing real bad. Starting with this lower, I gotta take these pieces, get them welded up in there. I'll probably staple them just to hold them, then I'll weld them up. Got all these pieces, they're just held with tape. Someone already tried to stick a staple or something in there. Staple won't be strong enough to hold it all, but it'll be good enough to where I can start welding. Getting the staples in, then I'll get it welded up. I can't make this too thick because this is where the fastener goes on. Now, if I make it too thick, it won't be able to slide on. You won't be able to put the fastener through. Just gonna keep doing the same, adding a bunch of these staples. Like to get them hot, get them in there, and then twist them. They bite a little better. I'll just keep repeating that process. This one isn't too bad. I'm just gonna scuff this down with the DA with like some 400, then I'll put some primer on it. Smoothing out pretty good right there. Taking measurements so I know exactly where the decal goes. On these, the damage wasn't bad enough that I actually had to remove the decals. They're cleared over from the factory. But if I get another one, I'll know exactly where they go. They get replaced, but I can tell exactly where they go even after I put paint over the top of them. I want to show the back side of the fairing here. I zoomed in on it. This is the stamp that Ducati puts on their fairings. If you look real close, in between that arrow is a 94, and it's pointing to the 12th, so it was made on the 12th month of 94. It's a good way to check if you're looking at a bike to see if it's original. You can look at the build date on it and see if they're pretty close. Notice here while I'm clearing over where the decal used to be, and you can still kind of see where it was. so I can lay the new one right over the top of it. When I move to the other side, you can see the other decal that's already been put on. I'm clearing for the second time. Getting ready to put the decals on. I use a solution that I make up. It's just water, rubbing alcohol, and dish soap. This is kind of time consuming, so I'm not going to show the whole bike getting decals put on it, but I'll show the one panel getting done. Got the decal installed on the other side panel. So now I'm just putting the second coat of clear on that. Moving on over to the tail. Just a little bit of damage there. Up next to that decal. A little bit there. There's probably a couple other little places here or there, but it definitely doesn't need extensive body work done to it. Gonna start clearing here. These mirrors aren't painted, they're actually textured plastic. So I just put a textured dye on there, kind of clean them up a little bit. Got most of the parts laid out here for the 916. These always look so good in that red. I always clear these twice. That way it gives it kind of that wet look. After it's put back together, I should be able to put up a walk around video of it. But that's it. I want to thank you for stopping by and checking the video out. Especially if you stayed all the way to the end, I really do appreciate that. And if you're into seeing these bikes get revived, please check out the rest of the channel. There's a lot more bikes on there.